What's up, guys? It's Rey-Jay back with another video. And in this one, I want to break down something with SPY, Tesla, and the overall markets. I'm also going to talk about why on earth we are seeing a very interesting reaction by the markets after CPI came out. What you should be watching for as time goes on. But just note that I am not a financial planner, so take nothing I say as financial advice. And also, if you guys can, please check out my Webull link. If you deposit any amounts of money, you're guaranteed 12 free stocks. If you deposit $500, you're guaranteed 20, and deposit $25,000 or more, and you're guaranteed 75. The offer ends in just about 3 weeks. Anyways, now let's talk about the market. So far, SPY is doing a pretty good job at holding up. Now, we got this dip. We dipped all the way down to about 574, just under my 573 targets by less than 1 point. After we got CPI, core CPI was above expectations. That's why the market dipped. And as a result, despite the dip, there are buyers defending. They have come back. They're trying to push the market higher. So now we're back to about 576.5. I'll have to see if SPY could hold above this or not. So this is gonna be a very key level. Now, for those who are interested, Tesla has the very notorious robo-taxi event happening. Whatever happens after the market closes, this is going to be in the evening time, by the way, I think like 7 p.m. Pacific time. So it's going to go out on until like really late at night. But whatever happens with this will affect Tesla big time. So if you guys are interested in playing this or watching this, be ready. Tesla's going to gap up or gap down depending on how it goes. So we'll be watching that very carefully as well. But right now, SPY is getting defended upon. We're seeing buyers continuing to buy up this dip, and SPY is now shuffling at 576.5. If we hold above this, there is potential for 577, and then, excuse me, the all-time highs. If we lose 575, I'd be looking for 573 as our target, then 570. As of right now, we're getting bought back up. There are buyers trying to turn this green, so we are still looking a little bit more in favor of bulls. The bulls still have a bigger edge so far, because even if the market's dipping after a hot core CPI report, the buyers are still coming back. So SPY is not that far from being green again. So it's pretty interesting to witness. ES is also getting bought back up right here. We dipped to about 58.10. Now we're getting bought back up. We could be approaching 58.40 very soon. So it could attempt to get bought back up. Nvidia had some bullish analyst reviews. There's analysts coming out who are saying that Nvidia will reach $176 billion in revenue next year and potentially even $225 billion by 2027. That caused Nvidia to bounce very nicely, so we dipped and bounced. So we're looking at 136 as our potential target, if not 140 if that breaks. So far, we look a little bit more bullish. For other factors out there, we have NQ, which is trying to push up right now. We could be approaching 20,500 as buyers are defending. Nvidia is helping to carry this. So 20,500 is very possible, and then we could be breaking those highs. And for the QQQ, if we continue to hold above these highs right here, which is around the higher 493s, if we break that, this is going to be likely going all the way up closer to 500. There could be another attempt to pump that's coming. So far, the QQQ is looking a little bit more bullish. Even after we got a hot CPI, buyers are coming back and they're still helping out. Tesla's trying to rebound as well with the market. So Tesla got this big dump all the way down to about 232 since we lost 238, but then the buyers came back and they're defending it. So could this be a liquidity grab before a bigger pump because of the big event? Could this be the opposite? Are we about to like dump on Tesla? We'll just have to wait and see. But there is potential in Tesla. Whether we get the bounce depends a lot on the robotaxi event. And if Tesla announces some new models such as the Model 2 and the robotaxi and the Cybercab, if they announce those, this thing is going to bounce. If not, that may not be the best for them. So we'll just have to wait and see. But there's still potential in Tesla. Do not turn into a mega bear or mega bull. Just give it some time. For Aapl, we're dipping a bit. We're looking for potentially 226 as our main support. We held so far. As long as we don't lose 228, we could rebound for 230. So there's potential for 230 plus. For the IWM is trying to rebound. If we lost 215, we turn bearish. And if 218 breaks, we're bullish. We're just range bound in the middle. So that's all I'm seeing for the time being. For Coinbase, we dipped to about 163 only to rebound. So we might shuffle between 163 and about 165, but we could try to rebound. I think there's an attempt for 166 that could be coming. So I think it's going to be range bound with an attempt to rebound. For Amzn, we have 188 as our resistance. If we break that, we're looking for basically 190. And if we continue to reject, we're looking for it to back down to 185. For Meta, if Meta does not reclaim 587, we're likely going to be dipping all the way down to about the lower 580s, 582 or so. For Microsoft, we're trying to hold 416. If that fails us, we're looking for 414. If it holds, we're looking for 420. Otherwise, we're just range bound between 414 and 420. And Google is trying to rebound. We could be looking for a test of 165 if we hold above 163.8. With that being said, guys, the buyers are coming back to defending the markets. We'll see how things go. Tesla's also getting bought back up a little bit, but like I said before, guys, the big catalyst is going to be their big robotaxi event, so we'll wait for that, and we'll see how things end up going. With that being said, that's it for my quick update. Please have a great day, guys. I'll see you guys very soon, and peace out.